Hello my beautiful family, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you how to make Adiong, a South Sudanese classic with a modern twist. Adiong is a South Sudanese pulled or pounded meat delicacy which is mostly served during special occasions. This makes it the perfect addition to your Christmas table. It's easy to prepare and it's made with minimal ingredients. The ingredients for this recipe are beef, onion, cinnamon stick, chicken stock cubes, black pepper, and olive oil. The quantities used are as listed on screen, and the full ingredient list can be found in the description down below. I chop the onion and the beef in large chunks and add them into a pot. Don't mind the size because it will all break down when cooked. I'm using boneless roast beef, though traditionally it's cooked with meat with bones. Then the meat is cooked long enough until the meat falls off the bones. I add the cinnamon stick, chicken stock cubes, black pepper, olive oil, and bay leaf. I add water as needed until the meat falls apart easily when pressed. The water has reduced and the meat is now ready for pounding. It took roughly 1.5 hours to cook it to this consistency. I discard the bay leaf and cinnamon stick and start mashing the meat. If the meat is too dry and you have difficulty mashing it, add a little water and let it simmer on low until the water is reduced. The kitchen smells amazing at this point. I give the meat a final pound and taste for salt and seasoning. It was seasoned to my liking, so I didn't add any more salt, but feel free to adjust the salt if needed. I'm now happy with the Adiong's consistency, so I turn the heat off. This can be served with asida and kisra. However, feel free to serve it with your preferred staple. We had it with asida and some vegetables, and it was so delicious. I hope you try this and love it as much as my family does. If you like this channel and would like to follow more of my simple recipes, consider subscribing and tapping the notification bell to be alerted whenever I put up a new post. If you find the channel useful, please hit the like button and engage in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next one.